Here we have a completing the square question. We're given a quadratic expression x squared plus 10x minus 15, and we're asked to write it in a very special form. We're asked to write it as the product of two brackets with a number at the end, and these brackets have to be identical. Now let's remind ourselves about multiplying out brackets like this. The first term in each bracket, x times x, has to give us this x squared. Let's look at this term and this term. Now, the brackets are identical, so whatever goes in there and there must be the same. And let's look at the outside product and the inside product. So the outside products, x times this number, and the inside, this number times x, they've both to be identical. So we've got so many x and the same number of x, and remember these two give us this 10x, so they must be plus 5. We have an x plus 5 times an x plus 5. So the first give us x squared, the outside 2 gives us 5x, the inside 2 give us 5x. But look what's happened. We do get our x squared plus 10x, but we've got the lasts giving us 5 times 5, that's 25. Now, we don't have 25, we've got a negative 15. So the easiest way to deal with that is to say, well, okay, if that's producing a 25 that I don't want, take it away. And then put in the number you're supposed to have. That's a minus 15. And we can now say, well, there's x plus 5 times x plus 5. That's x plus 5 all squared. And we have a minus 25 minus 15, which is a minus 40. So we have written it in the form x plus p all squared plus q, where p is 5 and q is negative 40. Adding negative 40 is the same as taking away 40. We're not asked for the values of p and q, but I'm just checking that we have written it in the correct form. At this stage, where you've written x plus 5 times x plus 5, and you know you have a 25, you might, if you're good at mental arithmetic or whatever, or use your calculator, 25, what do we need to do to 25 to get negative 15? Well, we'd have to take away 40. Now, if you can figure that out in your head, that's great, and you put that in. But whatever you do, I would suggest that at the end of this, you check the whole thing by multiplying out and see that everything's as it should be. First x squares, outside 2, inside 2, lasts. And you can see that that does come to x squared plus 10x, and 25 minus 40 is minus 15. That's Mr. Corsi signing out. Hope you enjoyed the video.